Okay. Now we start with M. M. It's simple, exact like English. M. M. It sounds M. For example, der Mann. Okay, repeat. Der Mann. That means the man. The second one is N. N. What was our rule? We read everything we see. Okay? Let's go. N. It sounds N, exactly like English. Der Name. Okay? Der Name. A full name, I mean. O. It sounds O. Das Obst. Repeat. Das Obst. Das Obst. That means the fruit. And here, the last one is P. Okay? P. Repeat after me. P. P. Die Puppe. Die Puppe. That means a doll. Okay, here we have another alphabet. It's Q. Q. It sounds Q. Here we have Die Quelle. Okay, don't forget our rule. Die Quelle. Repeat. Q. Die Quelle. That means source. Okay, and the next one is R. R. Here we have an example. Look. Rufen. Rufen. That means to call. Okay? Again, here there is a question. Why didn't I put an article? Or why did I write it with small alphabet? Exactly. It's a verb. The next one is S. Exactly like English. S. Repeat. S. For example, der Bus. Der Bus. And the last one is T. Okay? T. Repeat. T. T. Die Tasse. Die Tasse. That means a cup. Okay, and here we have U. Okay? U. This alphabet is U and it sounds U. Okay? Very simple. Der Unfall. Repeat after me. Der Unfall. Der Unfall. That means an accident. The second one is V. Okay, pay attention. It's V. And it sounds f. Okay? V sounds f. For example, das Volk. Repeat. Das Volk. Das Volk. That means a people. Okay. And here we have the. Okay? The. The. And it sounds V again. Die Wand. Repeat. Die Wand. Die Wand. That means the wall. And here we have X, exactly like English, X. Der Text. And here are the two last alphabet. Okay, the first one we have Upsilon. Okay? Upsilon. It sounds a thick U. It should be pronounced from the bottom of the throat. Okay? Please pay attention. It sounds U. U. Huh? Thick U. U. Repeat. U. It takes time, but it will be okay. U. Here we have an example. Die Physik. Die Physik. And the last one is Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z. Okay? But it sounds ts. Ts. For example, der Zahn. Der Zahn. What does it mean? That means a tooth. And here are the alphabets that we have in English. And now we're going to learn some different alphabet in a German language.